Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Wear Even Hydrating Concealer. Fenty Beauty sent 3 shades. They sent 300N, 315W, and 335W. Looking at these shades, the ones that I'm really drawn to are 300N and 335W. I'm going to start with the shade 335W, and I'm going to use the lighter one to brighten later. I'm going to place this right under the eyes, above the lips, on my chin, and on the forehead. Fenty says that this is a buildable medium coverage with a natural second skin finish, long wearing, hydrates and brightens, transfer proof, waterproof. So there's a lot of benefits to this concealer. I'm really excited to see if it'll hold up. I'm going to let the concealer sit just for a little bit before I blend it out. Using the IT Cosmetics No. 7 Complexion Perfection Brush, I'm going to use this to blend out the Fenty concealer. I just finished doing my cream contour. So after doing my cream contour, I pretty much am ready to blend out the concealer. It's blending out really nicely. And so far, first impressions, I really like this color. This color is really nice if I don't want to brighten too much. I feel like the coverage looks really good. I actually don't mind the coverage. I feel like I wouldn't mind if it was like a little bit fuller just because I am used to a really full concealer, but I feel like I can build a little bit more. Like it actually doesn't look that bad. Now that I have applied my nose contour, I'm going to go in with the shade 3N, which is a little bit brighter than the 335W. And I'm just going to put this along the sides of my nose just to clean up that cream contour that I put on my nose. I also really like the applicator on this as well. I'm going to do my cream blush while this is sitting. Now I'm going to blend out the color 300N. I'm going to take the smaller side and kind of blur the lines. And here is the finished look. Here are my kind of overall thoughts so far on the Fenty Wear Even Hydrating Concealer. I really like how it looks under the eye. I have set it with the Charlotte Tilbury powder and the Huda powder, loose powder, and it just looks so pretty under the eye. I really love this combination. Like I said, I wouldn't have mind if it was like had a smidge more coverage, because even when I added this, the lighter one on top to brighten just a little bit and clean up my nose contour, the coverage was still kind of like not, it was like almost there too, like my liking, but it still looked so good. Honestly, I really probably don't even need more coverage because now that it's all set and everything is just kind of blended together, it looks just fine. But other than that, those are like my first impressions. I definitely recommend trying it out. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!